Canal Fulton is being flooded over. This video is following proof. Please be advised of high waters. You may now continue.
Okay, check that out. Woohoo!
Bam! Print finder in Canal Fulton. Historic Canal Fulton there. And check out that truck. Some serious water damage there. Let's walk down the boardwalk a little ways here to the other viewing site. See what it looks like. Canal Fulton is a little small town. It's a historic town. Riverboat origins. Looks like we have Channel 19 News here, checking it out. We're checking it out too. Walk in the park anymore? Here's the old historic canal boat. The town of Canal Fulton. Wet.
Well, that's water.
Is it cold? Is it cold or hot?
Septic system that's up there.
This water is moving at a pretty good speed. This tree here, it has some kind of nuts on it. That's nuts. Water, water everywhere. Here's some kind of serpent that came up from the bottom of the river, washed up by the flood. Check that out. This thing is ugly looking. Trying to escape underneath the bridge. Oh my God, someone call the police. This thing could destroy the town. Let's see if we can pop back into the car, drive on down the road a little ways, and check out the rest of the mighty Tuscarawas River flooding Canal Fulton today, and yesterday, and tomorrow probably. Hold on. I may have to jump in. I don't want to, but I may have to jump in and protect the town of Canal Fulton. Check this out here. This water is just, I mean, if it wasn't for this building, this water would have been up the road here another probably 20-30 feet. Look at the water level here on this door. Almost up to the doorknob. The restaurant has a nice little outside sitting area here to view the flood if you want to come on down. I'll be here waiting for you. No, I won't. I believe this water is going to get higher before it gets lower. Okay, here's where they actually keep the canal boat that gives the rides. Kind of sitting here on a like an offshoot of a river here. It looks pretty safe. Take a look at this. Doesn't even bother those ducks over there. Let's get out of the car and take a closer look. Those willow trees look kind of cool in that water. Okay, right over there. That's where the lock is. Tired. They were up all night probably. They're just snoozing away. Quack, quack. I'll try not to bother you guys. I'm just making a video. Quack, quack. See if we can walk down here a little ways. Bridge. Look at that. Almost up to the lock house. Wow. Hope this doesn't give away while I'm on it. Look at that. You can't even see the wall of that lock. Checking that over. I've never seen a flood here before, but this is my first, but this looks pretty spectacular. Here's the other end of the lock. Wow. Okay, everybody's doing the same thing here. They're checking everybody out, see how really high that water is down there. Look at that truck plowing through. Check that out. Woohoo! This is right at the borderline here for Jackson Township. He made it through okay. Is it very deep?
It never came up to my running board. It stayed about that far below my running board the whole way.
Well, cars are going through. I haven't seen a little car yet. The man just said, I don't know if you heard him or not, but a guy on a trail bike went through that. Wow, he's stopped now. He's backing up. Something's going on. This guy should have no trouble.
Wow.
This guy should have no trouble whatsoever.
Wow. I was sitting here and there was a car. She thought she was going to go through, and her car started going. She backed up. I'm like, nope, I'm good.
Thanks for watching my video, everybody. Next video coming up soon. Fred out. And look what it's doing. Still raining. No, he's in nothing deep yet. Oh, he decided against it, I think.